Next, in last videos we discussed the distance formula, section formula, area of the triangle, collinearity conditions. We discussed in last class. Now in this video we are discussing about the slope of the line. First you see the definition of slope of the line. See now, this is the coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis. This is the x, y plane. L is equal to 0 is the one of the line. L is equal to 0 is one of the straight line. How we are defining the slope of the line? You see now definition. A non-vertical line. This is not a vertical line. It is a non-vertical line. A non-vertical line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis. Measured in anti-clockwise direction. This is not a clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. We are measuring in anti-clockwise direction. Then theta is called inclination. Theta called what? Inclination. And tan theta value is called slope. Tan theta value is called what? Slope of the line. And the slope of the line is denoted by m. Therefore, m is equals to tan theta. Here the range of theta is lies between 0 to 180. Closed interval of 0 to 180. Taking 0 and 180 also, and between the values. So this is the definition of the slope of the line. Again you see, from the video only you note down the definition. Again you see now, note it now. A non-vertical line makes an angle theta with positive x-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction. Then theta is called inclination. In bracket you write 0 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to 180. And tan theta is called slope of the line. It is denoted by m. Therefore m is equals to tan theta. You put the marks. This is the formula for slope of the line. Okay, so this is the definition of the slope of the line. Understood? What is the definition? A non-vertical line makes an angle theta with positive x-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction. Then theta is called inclination and tan theta value is called slope of the line. Slope is denoted by m. Therefore m is equals to tan theta. This is the definition of the slope of the line. That means if we knows the angle between x-axis and the line, we are finding the slope by using the m is equals to tan theta formula. If they given, that means the line passing through some points. If they given, how we are finding the slope of the line? You see now. Now, like formula you write now. First formula, m is equals to tan theta. Here theta is inclination. Inclination definition you know already. What is the inclination? A non-vertical line makes an angle theta with positive x-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction. Then theta is called inclination. So theta is inclination. That means theta is the angle between x-axis and line. The slope formula m is equals to tan theta. You remember this one. Next second one, if a line passing through x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then the slope a is equals to x1 comma y1, b is equals to x2 comma y2. Then slope of AB line or its line segment is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Difference between the y coordinates by difference between the x coordinates. This is the slope formula when the line passing through 2 points. This is slope formula when we know the angle between x-axis and line. Next to third formula you see now. If line is if we know the line equation, the general form of line equation, you remember the general form of line equation is the linear equation only in the variable of x and y. So the general form of the line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then slope of this line is equals to minus a by b. That means minus x coefficient by y coefficient. This is the formula for when we know the line equation. This is the formula for when the line is passing through 2 points. This is the slope equation when we know the angle between line and x-axis. You remember these 3 formulas. Now coming to fourth formula, you see the slope of x-axis. The slope of x-axis are parallel to x-axis. The slope of x-axis are parallel to x-axis. You see, this is the coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis. This is for example, this is the x-axis. 2 points is there, A and B. This is the one of the point x1 comma 0. This is the another point x2 comma 0. What is the definition of the slope? The difference between the y coordinates by x coordinate. Difference between the y coordinates, both are zeros only. 0 minus 0, 0 by x2 minus x1. 0 by something is 0. So the slope of x-axis equals to 0. The slope of parallel to x-axis is 0. The slope of horizontal line, x-axis nothing but horizontal line. The slope of horizontal line is x is equals to 0. Which line slope is 0? You say now. X-axis slope is 0. Parallel to x-axis slope is 0. Next to the horizontal line slope also 0. You remember these axis and lines slope is 0. Now coming to fifth one, the slope of y-axis are parallel to y-axis. You see now 2 points A and B. This is the point A, this is the point B. Point A, it is lies on y-axis. On y-axis, which coordinate is 0? X coordinate 0. So 0 comma y1. This is 0 comma y2. 2 points. How we are defining this slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 by 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0. y2 minus y1 by 0, something by 0, infinite, not defined. So the slope of y-axis or slope of parallel to y-axis or slope of vertical line. The slope of vertical line is not defined. Or how we are writing? Infinite or not defined. You remember this one also. Okay, this one also. Next to sixth one m1 comma m2 slopes of the lines L1 comma L2, L1 comma L2, and first one, in this first one you see L1 comma L2 are parallel. L1 is parallel to L2 if and only if M1 is equals to M2. That means two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. Two lines are L1, L2. Two lines are parallel. Then the slopes are equal. If the slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. Remember this concept. Next to second one. Two lines are perpendicular to each other. If and only if the product of the slopes is equals to -1. The product of the slopes is equals to -1. The product of the slopes is equals to -1. This is the line L1, this is the line L2. Those are intersect orthogonally. Nothing but they are the angle between the lines is 90 degrees, perpendicular to each other, mutually perpendiculars. Then the product of the slopes is equals to -1. The product of the slopes is equals to -1. Next to third one, the angle between the lines is theta, then tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 mod. Tan theta, angle between the lines is theta, then tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. From this also we are getting these two conditions. Actually these two conditions we are writing from this the third formula. You see now these two lines are parallel, then angle between them is 0 only. So tan 0 value 0. This is taken to left side. 0 into something 0. 0 is equals to m1 minus m2. M1 is equals to what? M2. Next, these two are perpendicular. Perpendicular means angle between them is 90 degrees. Tan 90 value infinite. Infinite nothing but 1 by 0. You do cross multiplication. Here 1 by 0 cross multiplication. 1 into 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0 into something 0. So 1 plus m1 m2 equal to 0. m1 m2 is equal to what? -1. So like this we are getting these formulas. These based on the slope of the line we have these formulas. So once you take a screenshot and you read these formulas, okay, you take a sheet, now you take the screenshot, then you know these are all the formulas.